Good morning, everybody. Today we are leaving Waigeo and we are headed to a small island called Batanta. We're going to do a homestay there. We're going to do some jungle stuff. We're going to probably do some diving. For sure, we're doing snorkeling. Here, we rested our feet and our quads and our knees because we did a massive amount of hiking. So here we did a whole bunch of diving. At least I did a bunch of scuba dives. I did 6 dives here, and Apple came along with us and did a bunch of snorkeling.
Yes.
So it's beautiful. We did look around, kind of poke around in the forest, just a little bit behind the resort. We didn't see anything like super amazing, but in Batanta, we're going to try to bring snakes to the video. So we'll see. I want to
Moving across.
Yeah, maybe. So we'll circle around. I want you guys to see the background. So that is the resort behind us there. We're currently standing on a pier and we're getting ready to jump on a boat. So very beautiful. So far the weather is cooperating. Hopefully we have a smooth crossing. It's about 2 hours to Batanta. So we'll give you guys a look at Batanta, see what we can find, see what we can drum up. And that is what's happening this morning. You guys are coming along with us. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, our boat's leaving. They are leaving us here. We are here for 3 nights by ourselves. Just the local guys here running the resort. So we are gonna wave them off and then that's it, we're on our own. Okay, you guys, this is crazy. Our guides took us back in here into this lagoon because they said they see snakes in these trees back here. And I cannot believe it, but there is a rather large scrub python up sleeping in this tree. And I don't know if I can get a good shot for you guys or not. I just see bits and pieces of the body. It is... Gosh, I can't even find it on the camera now.
It's right here.
It is in here. So really bizarre behavior to me, you guys. It's basically sitting over salt water. That is amazing to me that there would be a scrub python sitting here.
It's like a perfect nest. Come here.
Right there, you guys. You can see it coiled up under here. That's amazing. I have no idea how I would be able to get something like that down.
Go to the back side or
All right, that's good. A little more. Come this way a little bit. Come forward a little bit. Put me under it. Put me under it.
nanti dia lompat. Dia lompat itu. Iya, biasa dia lompat. Dia lompat dalam pelan atau lompat di luar. Iya. Itu bisa lompat tuh.
No, it's okay. No.
Ini coba itu.
Can you see it?
Yes, the head is coming out.
So the snake will jump on the boat.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
perfect. I'll grab it.
Oh ya, dia udah.
Don't worry. Relax, it's okay.
Nanti dia lari.
Relax.
Iya, dia lompat itu. Jauh duduk ke bawah pada yang berdiri itu. Pulang ke begini.
Give it in. Get in. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Don't be afraid.
Jangan takut. Dia udah ke. Jangan. Takut. Jangan itu tidak takut. Dia lompat itu.
And the head is right here. He's gonna jump to the boat like he said. He's gonna freak out. The
I'll
boat.
grab it.
The
No, I'll
boat
grab
gonna
it.
flip.
Oh, no. Tenang saja.
Babe, they are really afraid of it. Do you know the feeling? So now the boat, the snake is looking at you. Maybe you can feel it. It's really big scrap pato.
Yeah, I want it. Okay, he's here. He's right here.
Yang apa mau terbang satu orang. Dia takut pada dia.
I can't reach it.
So, kita ini takut, makanya kita pegang motor. Dia mau marah ke apa.
Come here.
Can you put me under it? Yeah.
Tarik itu.
Nah, it's gonna go up.
Di bawah boleh dia.
He's going up?
He's just right here.
Okay. You think I can climb the tree? I put my life jacket on.
No, Apple. Make sure it's strong. Keep me underneath, okay?
There's a lot of ants. It's gonna stay on that one.
Apa jangan mau itu supaya mau perang ya kamu. Kostol. Ini kalau di sini masa tinggal di sini. Nah. Iya,
I
lempar.
can't go to that tree. Where is it, baby?
It's going to that other tree. It's coming out to the tip of the branch. I don't think you can get there, but that's where it's going.
If you give me a stick, I can poke it. It's just
You
right
guys,
there.
Apple is up in there poking at this python, and we just can't get it to come down. It just keeps going up. It comes down a little bit,
Beautiful.
and then it moves to like another branch that's further out.
Yeah.
It won't drop like a retic or whatever. It definitely doesn't seem like it wants to drop. It just wants to move away from all the commotion and everything. Man, I wish I could get that down for you guys. Okay, so for those of you that are interested in the readings here for the scrub python, you're looking at 85 degrees Fahrenheit at 4 in the afternoon and about 83% humidity. All right, you guys, time for a little debrief. The guys here, both the resort owner and a guide that we have here with us, neither of them like snakes, like at all. And so they said that they were going to take us into the lagoon, which turned out to be a mangrove area, as you could see. And they both said that they had seen pythons in those trees. We're going back there, and it's clearly salt water. There's coral, anemones, lots of fish. We saw a baby blacktip reef shark back there, a little pup that was only about yay big. So it's salt water, and I'm thinking to myself, there's no pythons going to be hanging out over salt water. It just didn't seem right to me. And we start checking the trees because they keep saying, this is where we see the pythons. This tree is where we see the pythons. We went back and forth, and lo and behold, yes, there was a scrub python up in a little like clump of leaves, like a little nest, and it was just coiled up in there. And so we had that big heavy stick that we were actually, the pole that we were actually using to navigate through the mangrove. It was really heavy, and it wasn't quite long enough even. So as you could see, after so many attempts, the snake seemed really chill actually. Like we were really agitating it, but it seemed really mellow. And Apple volunteered to like go climb up the tree. So I don't know how many of your wives and girlfriends would do something like that, but Apple's hardcore. So she went up there. I actually passed her the stick at one point, and she was trying to get it to do its thing, but it just kept going up, and it kept going back and forth between trees and whatever. So I think tomorrow we're going to go back and take another look. Personally, I think that the snake is going to just find its little platform area, and it's just going to coil up and go to sleep and be there again tomorrow. That's what I think, but I'm not sure. I'm hoping that it's actually in the same tree or in that vicinity, but lower, where I can actually get it and show you guys what it looks like. But anyway, pretty cool here on Batanta, scrub python. I'm not really sure what the look of Batanta scrub pythons are, but we are going to try again tomorrow. So anyway, that's our big excitement for this evening. It's glassed out, there's no wind, it's dead calm. I don't know if we're gonna have rain tonight like we did last night. Maybe not, I'm not sure. So now we're going to take a salt water shower. They have showers and restrooms back there, but the water coming out is actually salt water. So Apple said she was gonna take a shower in the ocean, but I feel like the water coming out of the spigot back there isn't quite at the salinity level as the ocean. So I'm gonna shower back there, and then that's it. I'm gonna go to sleep and see what tomorrow brings. All right, you guys, more later. Okay, you guys, that's gonna do it for Batanta. We did not get a chance to go back to that area for the python. We're not exactly sure why, but I think we just freaked those guys out so bad. We never saw our guide, and we never saw the boat or the boat driver. Good morning. So they just disappeared. I think we really freaked them out, and like they ditched us. So anyway, still beautiful. Did a lot of snorkeling, got a lot of underwater footage, and we did get some footage of the python. So that is about it. We're actually looking forward to getting back to civilization, and yeah, that's it. Let's go.